Kay Kuya Benro yan, kay Kuya Ben.
Number 17.
Let's go! North versus South. Walang iiyak.
Who will win? The king of exotic corn.
Sana.
Will it be?
Game, sumali game.
Wait. Oh, 130. 130. Space mo na. Oh, para dito tayo magka-ano na sa finals. Oh, labas mo na. Labas.
Hello, what's up, Bully Fam? It's your boy JC at andito na naman tayo sa bago nating vlog. Kasama natin si Master Robbie and ang ating trainer na si Mark. Yan. Ngayon pupunta tayo sa isang show sa Calamba, Laguna. Exotic Wars 1.0. Yan. Kasama natin si Baki, si Zeno, si Torfin, tsaka si Wiz. Yan. Ngayon hindi tayo nakasali. Unfortunately, nasabog yung ating coat ni Elixir at malapit na siya mag-hit. Yun naman ang good news natin. So yun, abangan nyo, papunta na kami. Yun. Torfin and Baki. Yan, sasalang natin mamaya, oh. Kay Brother Robbie. Yo, what's up? Ayan, stop over muna dito sa pet shop kasi sinira ni Torfin yung cage. So, yan, bili muna si Torfin. Tingnan natin. Boss Joseph.
What's up? This DJ JT Rock. I want to invite you guys October 27th, Tres Marte Fiesta Bully Show. You're going to see one of the biggest crowds, the biggest attendance in any bully show. Check it out. October 27th.
Boss. Basta. Karating lang, nalifting kami, na-traffic. My God, Navarro. Basta. Tahimik tayo dyan, ah. Tahimik tayo sa gilid, ah. Kanina pa kayo? What's up, brother? What's up, brother? Impact daughter ni Kuya Mark. Yan po yung owner, si Kuya Mark. Anong name niya, Kuya Mark? Bubbles. Si Bubbles. Ayan, magtangkal check tayo kay Bubbles. Magtangkal check.
Main source.
Tangkal check. Pasado ba? Tangkal check.
Fresh berries. Madre de cacao. This is a 1.8
Pasado. Approve na JC.
Fresh.
Ayan, para masukat. Lalo ba? Sir, anong sukat yan, sir?
Saktong 10 eh.
Saktong 10.
Sa malabas na
Thank you. Brother Lucy. Diyan ka pala.
Number 17 and number 151, get ready. Stand with me, just as we start. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, the BBKC! Nano Exotic goes to M1. First place winner goes to. Congratulations! Here we go. We have a winner for the Battle of Champions. The winner goes to Ken. Congratulations between Gustavo and Ken. Here we go. A true trophy of a king winning the Exotic War 1.0 ring number. The color. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Gustavo and Ken. One game. Here we go. Do you feel the intensity? The Lord versus 7. Wow. Home lady. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Gustavo and Ken. And the winner goes to Gustavo! We have here the dogs that would be judged for their colors. Okay? Their fur. Yung color po nila. So as you can see, they have almost the same shade. Medyo lighter na yung iba, medyo iba darker, but still, they are called choco. And we have a winner for the best choco goes to, congratulations, Double Spin. Okay, we will pick 2 Devil's. The winner for the best double spin, congratulations! And the winner, Levin, kulang tayo ng isa. Wait, let me check. Isa-isa names. John, Baki, Orvin, for the best iron-born male. Where is Jet? Jet, have a picture of this. Ang sign nito, ang dami. Asa si Jet? Uy, take picture ng mga ang dami. Ito talaga. Come on. Participants, so again, these dogs are born and raised, or I must say, these exotic dogs, exotic bullies are born and raised in the Philippines. So later we for the 69 Mustang of goes to Thorfinn. Congratulations, Thorfinn. Our 6 to 9 months stack off winner. This is it. And the winner goes to...
Ubo yan.
Tingnan mo, bay. Tingnan mo, bay.
Ganda ng bite. Hindi ko masara, oh.
Tingnan mo nga pa. Nagkano siya? Ngayon lang nagkapalahipo yun eh. Okay lang.
Grabe laban. Look at this boy, oh. Mindset. Kay Kuya Benro yan, kay Kuya Benro. Grabe, ang laki. Ayun, oh. Pwede mag-dunkle check, Kuya Benro.
Oo naman. Magpapakal lang.
Dunkle check.
Patihan lang nakastart.
Grabe, oh.
Alam mo man yung practice niya, no?
Hmm? Oo, lalong pumutok kaysa nung nakaraan. Sa Jackie, no? Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy JC again. At ito, may bago tayo. Bagong uwi ito. Yan. Look at that boy, Alpha. Yan.
Best fail and best.
Okay.
Really exciting.
Dunkle check tayo. Okay lang sir, dunkle check.
Come on, palakpakan mo po tayo
Dunkle
dyan.
check.
Come on. Best fail
Dunkle
and
check.
the best extreme exotic.
Yeah, well,
Winner
ganda ng
goes
picture.
to number 15. Congratulations.
What's up brother? Anong name mo brother?
Jeff.
Stay in the show ring
Jeff.
and we'll-
Paano kanila kukontakin if ever gusto nila ng stud kay Alpha?
Meron kaming page yung Hybrid Exotics PH.
Hybrid Exotic Page. Okay.
So, yun lang,
Brother,
message
ano
na
yung...
kayo.
Sorry brother, alam ko ito, importante to. Anong bloodline ni Alpha?
Direct Focus Son. Tapos
Focus
grandson siya ni Da Vinci.
Da Vinci.
Yes,
Yan. Yan yung
yan.
mga promising na bloodline ni Alpha.
Yan siya.
Look at the boy, oh. One more time.
Good boy.
Okay brother, salamat. Mga
Thank you.
active na stud owner natin ngayon.
Thank you.
Okay, what's up guys? It's your boy, JC. Ayan, pakita natin dito isang napaka-poging stud na si Tesla.
Congratulations, number
Look at that boy, oh.
13. Our standard exotic.
Okay bro, okay lang ba? Dunkle check tayo.
Okay bro.
Dunkle check.
15 and 120.
Dunkle check kay Tesla. M1.
15 and 120.
Taas, dunkle check.
Our extreme exotic males. 15 and
Look at the boy, oh.
120.
Pakita ko lang ngipin bro, ah.
Sige lang bro.
Single leg ka lang. Single leg.
Ay, maganda yung bite nyo. Brother, saan namin pwede kontakin si Tesla if gusto namin gamitin?
Sa FB ko lang bro, Lucinate.
Lucinate.
Lucinate Facebook pa kami.
Brother, anong bloodline ni Tesla?
Direct focus yan.
Direct focus sa.
For the battle, for the best.
Yan, kontakin nyo lang si Brother Lucinate. Yan, sa Facebook. Search nyo lang.
For this age gap.
One more time. Tesla.
Move forward to battle.
Pero balita ko, brother, champion to.
Sakto lang. Wala pa eh, kulang pa nga eh.
Ay, kulang pa.
Kulang pa sa kondisyon.
Lapit na. Okay, brother, salamat.
Thank you, thank you.
Seven
That boy.
3 years old and all
Look at that boy is wish.
Okay, here we have.
Dunkle check. Dunkle check, okay lang. Dunkle check. Damn.
This will be the decision for our judge, Mr. Nigel Sanoy, all the way from Cebu.
At andito ngayon si Shy Boy, yan, kay brother. Brother, anong pangalan mo, brother?
Jericho.
Jericho, yan. Brother, anong bloodline ni Shy Boy?
Shy Boys, combination siya ng Vape tsaka DC Devil.
Vape and Dizzy Devil.
Oo.
Brother, if ever na gusto nilang gamitin si Shy Boy, saan ka nila kukontakin?
Visit lang sa Facebook ko, Jericho Cruzado, Simon Drake. Makikita niyo yung Shy Boy doon. Meron din siyang page, Mr. Bullneck, Shy Boy.
Yan, naka-define naman kung bakit bullneck, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, brother, pwede ba tayo mag-dunkle check?
Ang
Dunkle check.
So,
Meron
yeah.
tayong
Dunkle
content.
check.
Ako ang dadangkal,
Sige,
brother.
Is the champion
Dangkal check tayo. Shy boy.
Now,
Look at the boy.
included for the Battle of Champions.
And then
Okay,
dito, dangkal check din tayo.
But before we continue with the Battle of Champions,
Grabe yung ulo.
of course,
Brother, pwede ba natin
ladies
makita
and
yung
gentlemen,
ipin?
these are all champions. Champions need
Okay yung
a
bite
good
niya.
introduction.
Eh,
Okay, here we go. To FB Live. Berlin Community.
yan o. Ganda ng temperament o. Hindi na nga away o.
Checking in.
Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy JC. Ayan. Kita natin dito si Lechon.
1 to 2 and
Look at that boy, oh. Dangkal check, dangkal check. Yan. Dangkal check tayo. Ayan, dangkal check natin. Sa top, dangkal check tayo.
Bowling number 77, the winner earlier, number 77.
Headpiece. Look at that boy, oh. Pwede natin makita yung ano niya, teeth. Yan, oh. Okay. Sorry, sorry. Mga one lang siya, one finger. Sorry?
Back to back, that's nano.
Back to back, the best nano. Brother! Ano pangalan mo, brother?
Rico, bro. Rico Rodriguez.
Rico.
Bro, my Facebook is Rico Lechon.
Rico Lechon. Ayan, nakikita kita bro, friend kita. Alam mo.
Exactly. Usap na tayo.
Oh. Brother, anong bloodline ni Peso?
Ano yan? Taz at saka Benino?
Taz and Veneno.
Oh.
Alright. Tapos brother, paano ka nila makontak? Or gusto mo ba sabihin stud dito or PM ka na lang?
Yeah, PM na lang. Bigay tayo. Maganda ano.
Anong
Laban.
package yung stud mo bro?
Basta credit ba, 3 shoots. And then, sagot ko na yung lahat. Walang prog test eh. Hindi ko pa marunong eh.
Brother, Philam ka ha?
Okay
Philam
lang
ka?
Well, lumaki ka sa Houston, Texas.
Texas. Dito sa Pinas, saan ka bro?
Ha?
Sa Pinas, saan ka?
Sa Cebu ako.
Cebu ka. So dumayo ka ngayon. Easy.
Wala, ito din. Galing sa Cebu.
Ayos.
Handler ko.
Pero worth it, brother. Dami na.
Salamat.
Okay, brother. Thank you
Thank you, bro.
mag-entertain. Look at that boy. That is Cham. Yeah. Kuya, pwede bang dangkal check ako? Alright. Dangkal check. Look at that boy, oh. Dangkal check yan. Bangs. Grabe yung ulo, oh. Pakita natin bait, kuya.
Pangit lang, pero correct bite.
Ayun, oh. Ganda.
Nagcho-chocolate yun.
Si chocolate. Kuya, paano ka nila kontakin?
Marley Jaya. Facebook.
Marley Jaya, Facebook, ayan. Champ, remember this boy. Kuya, ano pang mga bloodline nila?
Marami ako dun. Rako. Muscleton.
I mean kay Champ, kuya.
Champ.
Ano asahan nila?
Babe. Babe bloodline to.
Babe bloodline. Alright. Thank you, kuya.
Up on bottom of North, Juicy J, Let's Rock, Hopeless, Mr. Gang, Champ, and Black Rhino. You will be on the left, Team North. And for the Team South, on the right side, let me go on Rhino, west side, Detro, Shy Boy, Takeover, and Chibi. Come on. Here we go. Sound. Six participants.
Brother, sino may sabing patay ang bulge?
Here we go.
Buhay na buhay, pare! Let's go!
Okay, for our judges, do you have your best pick? Two each. More and Good. Okay, where's the votes? Let's check. We're waiting for the result. Come on. Sayawan mo na. Here we go. Hey, hey, James Chow, give it up.
James going down.
Hey, this side, come on, guys. Hey. Madria, give it up. Okay, here we go. We have two votes. Each North and South. Who has the majority?
Let's go!
The first one to enter for North, number 133! 133! Yay! And then for next two votes for 129!
Let's go!
Hey! Goraya! And then now,
It's Kang, you know?
wow, 3 votes for South 124! 3 votes for 124! And then, for the second to move forward, sa pambato ng South, 127! Who's 127? Hey!
Let's go.
Shoutout naman dyan sa Prime sorry. Shoutout kay Prime
For South.
Yun, solid na product yan. Kuya, paano bumili?
Message lang kayo sa Shopee at saka sa Lazada meron. Saka may mga
Okay,
distributor
our
tayo sa area.
judges, Jamestown,
Right.
Alan G, and your
Let's go! Let's go!
Here we go.
North versus South. Walang iiyak.
Wala sa mga. Sino ang pick nyo? Ano? Mga maganda dito, audience dito. Sino ang pick nyo? Okay. One for North and one for South. Dito nyo naman po. Pawisan lang si James daw.
Yan ang ina-ensayo niyan.
Lugi tayo kay Mami. Puta na, ganun.
Okay, here we go. North and South. Hey, hey, Okay, here we go. For the casting of the vote, and now we have a result.
Lumangoy.
Here we go. I have the votes.
Rose mouth! Rose mouth!
Okay. Oh, selfie. Okay, here we go. For the semi-finals, for the North, the best pick of the judges goes to 133 will move forward to the finals. And now, for Team South, Okay, konti espasyo. Konti espasyo. Okay? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. For the finals! Here we go for the finals! The Barangay Bullies Exotic Wars 1.0 North versus South! Here we go, 133 from North and 124 from South. Judges, cast your votes. Who will win the game of Exotic Wars?
Tapos na ano?
Will it be North or will it be South?
Kakapusta na, nakakapusta na.
Got this space. Alright, here we go. Good, we go. Got some votes. Oh, got this space.
It's a money game.
Wait. Hold this space. Got this space. Oh, 130. Teka, got this space. Got this space lang tayo. Got this space mo lang. Front.
Kapusta na.
Sige. Ibababa natin yung mga aso. Got this space ano. Okay, bababa natin. Para dito tayo magkaano na sa finals. Labas mo na. Labas. Finals na to, finals. Come on. Yan. Labas mo na. Come on. Para may magandang decision. Okay. Mga tol, labas mo na. Dito natin ibababa yung mga dogs para maganda yung decision. Mag-stack off tayo. Okay, come on. Okay, 124, 133. Baba natin mga aso. Mga tol, labas mo na tayo. Tapos sa gilid tayo. Okay? North versus South. Okay, here we go. Wow! Ang ganda nito. 133 versus 124. Going head to head. And for our judges, may gusto silang request. Gusto nila front stack naman daw. Sige, front stack. Lahat, sige, front stack. Mamaya, back stack naman kung gusto nyo. Yan, front stack. Come on. Ayun na, may 1,000 daw. 1,000, sagot. Here we go. Ito na, labagan na. Labagan na. Okay? So, Tol, we have a winner. Nagkasa na votes. Okay. The judge has spoken. Pero, may ibang kasama na dito. Ayun na. Ito na. May kasama na dito. Good. Okay, sige. Kailangan ko na support tayo kung sino mananalo, pag-ingay. Okay? Kung taga-North pa kayo o taga-South, okay mo yun, mga tol. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Itataas ang kamay ng ating judge. Bam Kinto kung sino ang nanalo versus sa votes ng ating mga judges. Here we go. North, mag-ingay 133, mag-ingay! Para sa South, 124, mag-ingay para taga-South! Here we go! And the winner, ang habi ng Barangay Bullies Exotic War 1.0 ay Barangay Morada goes to lahat po. Kaya yan ang katunayan.
Oy, palto! Mitas!
At hindi ng laban. At nagkakampihan ng tubig.
Ay na, ganun kasaya. Ganun kasaya ang Exotic Wars. PBKC, congratulations sa inyo. Ang ganda na execution nyo. Ay na. Woo! Sino hindi nag-enjoy doon?